Wanderlust on a budget, how to travel for free. Traveling can be expensive, but it doesn't have to be. In fact, it's possible to travel the world without spending much money at all. With a bit of planning and creativity, you can enjoy the adventure of travel without breaking the bank. In this video, we'll explore some ways to travel for free. Volunteer abroad. One of the most popular ways to travel for free is to volunteer abroad. There are many organizations that offer volunteer opportunities overseas in exchange for room and board. You could teach English in China, help build homes in Mexico, or work on an organic farm in Italy. Volunteering abroad not only provides free travel but also allows you to make a positive impact in the world. House sitting. Another way to travel for free is to house sit. Many people go on vacation and need someone to take care of their home and pets while they're away. By house sitting, you can stay in a new location without paying for accommodations. There are several websites that connect house sitters with homeowners, such as Trust House Visitors and House Carers. Travel hacking. Travel hacking involves using credit card rewards, airline miles, and other travel perks to travel for free or at a reduced cost. By signing up for travel credit cards and earning rewards, you can get free flights, hotel stays, and other travel benefits. It's important to be responsible with credit card use and pay off your balances in full each month to avoid debt. Work exchange. Finally, work exchange programs offer another way to travel for free. You can work on a farm, hostel, or other business in exchange for room and board. Websites like Workaway and Helps connect travelers with hosts who are looking for help with various tasks. This can be a great way to experience local culture and meet new people while traveling. Conclusion. Traveling for free may seem like a far-fetched idea, but it's definitely possible with some effort and creativity. Whether you volunteer abroad, house sit, travel hack, or participate in work exchange programs, there are many ways to see the world without spending a lot of money. So start planning your next adventure and see where it takes you.